Today in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn off this device. So in order to turn off the phone, we should to press the power key button for a half of seconds, yeah. But in our case, when we just click here, press the power button, we can activate the Google Assistant. So if you want to turn off this feature, we should go into the settings application, scroll down here to the system settings, and scroll all the way down here to wake Google Assistant with power button switcher. Just turn off the switcher, and now just by press the power button, you can see that Google Assistant is turned off. But to turn off the device, you should press power button here on the right side, and on the left side of our device we got here two volume buttons. So you should press up volume button and power key button here on the right side of our device, just for a few seconds together. And after that, you will see here the power off menu, the restart and power off icon. So just press power key button and on the left side up volume button, and by this way just click here to power off and tap again to power off, and by this way we can turn off our device. And now, as can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.